28, meditation on monasticism and priesthood. Most monastics give up family life. Celibacy is considered important in many religions for different reasons. In Buddhism, in order to reach enlightenment, one must first free oneself from the mental poisons, the one that binds us most assuredly to samsara and the cycle of rebirths is craving or desire. If one studies the 12 interdependent links that depict the various stages of our enslavement to samsara, one realizes that without desire and its expression, the karma we have accumulated in the past could never take effect. Meditate on that.